Previously, we have seen how to make lady's finger tomato fry and bitter gourd fry. In this video, I am showing how to make aloo methi fry. It takes only 15 minutes to prepare. Before jump into the video, please subscribe and follow our social media channels for more healthy food videos. Required ingredients: methi leaves, potato, coriander powder, cumin seeds, garlic, curry leaves, green chili, and salt. In boiled oil, fry cumin seeds and chopped potatoes. Cover for 2 minutes. Now add garlic. Now add green chilies and curry leaves and mix well. After 1 minute, add 2 tablespoons water and cover for 2 minutes. Now add methi leaves and mash for 3 minutes. Cover for 3 minutes. Now add salt, coriander powder and mix well. Now, aloo methi fry is ready, which is good for health. In the coming up video, I will show how to make 5 healthy juice recipes for weight loss. Thank you for watching and following.